Fuller and played back to the bowler. Gentle run up, not trying to. Fuller ball in swinger, driven, and a misfield by cover point fielder will give the captain his first runs to get him off the mark with a boundary. Not the best. That's a good shot, delightful to watch. Going over cover for 4 runs.
To release the ball. Another swinging delivery but taken on the full and punished as well over widest mid-on reason for taken on the full again. And that's up in the air. 1 bounce, 2 bounce, 3 bounces out of the fence for 4 runs down the ground. He was looking for the swing earlier. Couple of
the Sharks and the Cobras. Another full toss. Going for the Yorker, missing the lane, but the batter has not missed his shot. 4 runs for Dado. This is good batting. This is a exceptional start over here by the Pare Warriors.
The character you shown earlier being as a that's a pitch. That's a handsome shot inside out over cover 6 runs. What a timing, pacey delivery.
That's a glorious shot to watch. Goes for that shot over extra cover. Timed it, toss this one up. Yeah, he does. He tosses this one, but he brings it in with the other variation. And he says, look at that, that's the name. I am Derby. And disturbing the furniture. Look at the amount of turn is purchased.
Absolutely terrific. 4-arm delivery on us inside the power play. Looking for the single, but doesn't matter. Up goes the finger. Looking
the amount of a purchase he's getting as a spinner. That's a wicket. They're all excited, and yes, it is. That stumping has cost them not too much, just 2 runs.
All right, the mistake I've done. I will make some reform into this. Now, what a take. Just a little slack of the bat. The touch is very close to the past the outside edge.
Oh, that's a good shot, inside out, over covers. No chance for the fast bowler to stop this one. 4 runs.
Lovely bowling by the captain. Trying to do something different. This time he picked it up nicely. And down the ground, he will get boundary for that as well. Just a little too full.
Oh, inside edge. It was almost going on to the stumps. But at the last moment gets an inside edge and goes past the leg stump of 4. Well. Oh, that's in the air. Fielder will only be a spectator that will sail away for a 6. What a strike from Ravi.
Into his slot. And he played with his straight back. Look at the reach. Look at the power he generated through the bottom hand. Down the ground, sailing over the head of the bowler for 6 runs. Mighty 6.
जो आपका फायदा होना था.
हमारी कोशिश है कि हम उनको 150-160 रनों तक पकड़ेंगे. अगर हम 150-160 रन तक उनको रोक लेते हैं तो हमारे पास बैट्समैन.
What is that? Another good shot. Wow. Wow. Just keep on admiring that shot. He's moved on to 46. Not 20. First ball. Put away. In a brand style. It's going to be a maximum 150 up.
At this time, Leacher joins the party. Heart tracker. Wavered line. He just guided away. And use of the pace.
Bowled him. Exact on a score of 100 runs. This partnership has ended. That slower ball has done the trick. But I think Leacher has done his job for his side now.
Took his head away in the sky and there were no position to play that ball in, indicating that was the slower one. He rolled his finger well. Well supported.
Some good character. Onto the pads, played away towards that fine leg for 4 runs. This is good batting from Suhail, just to bowling so well, 57 for 4. Inside edge, this is going down to the fine leg for 4 runs. That will bring up his half century as he becomes the 5th batter in this JSK1 News Arunachal Premier League Season 2. 57 for 4. Short ball. Getting it over short mid-wicket and 4 runs. They had a deep square leg. There wasn't a deep mid-wicket. Pulled away. They have the protection. Will just be a run. Are they thinking to go back for the second? Yes, no. Yes, they will get the second. Poor work over there by 15 of 16 balls with that half century from Rabi and Leacher getting 39, got them to 179 with a loss of 5 wickets with 24 extra. In Limad Darby, who bowls 4 overs, 17 for 2, 1 wicket each for Techir over there, 1 wicket for Gepal over there, and Josh picked up 1 wicket. First ball swinging in straight to that shot mid-on. And I've got with me Dharmender.
Hope up his delivery. This time he swings his arm, and this will go to the fence for 4 runs. No chance for the deep third. And this time he pulls it again. Long chase for the fine leg fielder. Will he able to cut this off? No. Ball races a bit boundary line for 4 runs.
And batting will become more easier. That's a good shot, delightful to watch to the eyes. But
whatever to do that needed to do better, and that's a fabulous stroke in the air for a while, but into the gap for 4 runs. And this time he free his arms, and he found the play. Why don't he use... Oh, cleaned him up. It was a matter of time that he was struggling there. And Gunjan has struck and provided fast breakthrough for Gurang on his way back now.
What a delivery, swinging back into the right-hander. Today he was really struggling. His feet were not moving, and he was late onto this shot this time around. But you never know, once you start going after the bowling, all of a sudden you could see a couple of good overs coming for you. First ball, another width in the air, slower ball, and taken. Playing it.
And 34 runs. Another wicket goes down. Looking for the big one. Slug sweep. He missed the line completely. In the confidence as well. A lovely delivery. Slow in the air through. Look at that. He released that ball and right up target to the middle stumps, and that has gone out. Lowly young for. Oh, this time. Wow. How was the connection? How well the connection? It's well connection. And that's gone for the distance as well. Down the ground for 6. And first 6 of the innings comes from the bat of the
That's a good strike. After a long time, they've got those big hit. Tossed ball into the radar well from 20 balls. Another tossed ball, but this time it's a furniture which has been disturbed over here. Couldn't make the connection, and number 4 goes down.
At all. It was Yorker length kind of delivery, fuller than delivery. He missed the line completely. Was looking for the big one again.
Second wicket over there for the leg spinner, going for that big shot straight to that fielder in the deep. Calm, composed, complete.